What's up, YouTubers? It's your boy FlyBy. We out here. It's a nice day. We got the 2008 Yamaha R6 on the road, and hopefully in a little bit, after we run around and play a little bit, we're gonna go meet up with the Joe man, and Joe's gonna help me dial in my suspension. It's been a consistent problem. It's not dialed in right. I know it's not. It's way too mushy. It's mushy, and I don't like the mushiness. It keeps wanting to throw me into a death wobble on the highway if I'm hitting a bump on a curve, even a little tiny bump on a curve. It just doesn't handle well. So we're gonna hopefully get that front suspension dialed in and get some fun. Woo! That was a good one. That was a good one. I gotta work on my wheelie game. That's the mission up here where you hit Wheelie Avenue. This is my little Wheelie Avenue. As I can utilize this straight away to practice my foot brake muscle memory skills on my wheelies. Really gotta burn that into my memory to utilize that properly. What's up with this guy with these blinking left-right lights? I don't necessarily like it. I wonder if he is law enforcement. We're about to find out. I'd like to know what's going on with this guy with his blinky lights. What's up with your blinky lights, man? Who are you? I don't know. And no front plate. We don't know what's going on, but I think he's gonna take the fun out of a ride here. But so we're just gonna keep going and screw it. I'm getting right in front of him, and it seems like he's going right. Cool. He's going right. So we got some more wheelies after we hit this red light. What's going on? What's going on? I don't know. I got nothing. I just be chilling, trying to have a good time on the bike, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. I would like to thank all the viewers, all the subscribers, all the commentors. You guys help make all this fun, and funner than it already is. And so I appreciate you guys viewing, and trying to bring you guys a good show is my mission when I strap the camera to the helmet. Oh, here's something new. So I've had my RF 1400 showy helmet for probably a year now, and started sagging on my face to where the top of the helmet was dropping down into my vision line, and I kept having to push the helmet back up with my hand, and it was quite annoying. So I did manage to, although I could not get a new center pad for the inside of the helmet, I did find I found replacement cheek pads. So I got replacement cheek pads. They showed up today, and they seem to have alleviated my problem about 80% of the way. The cheek pads are helping push the helmet back forward into a better position, helping my line of sight stay clear and able to see what's going on better. Because sometimes when I'm really cooking and I get down in a tough position, I can see the top of my helmet too much, and just I like having as much vision as possible when I'm on the street and I'm pushing, because I want to see anything I can that'll help me stay safe. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Cool. We're gonna find a gas station. We need some gas. Oh, other good news. I did purchase what they call a photochromatic visor for my showy RF 1400 helmet. And so what the photochromatic does is it changes from a clear face mask to a medium smoked face mask in cloudy conditions, and in the daylight conditions it makes it completely smoked, or not completely. It's more of a darky kind of smoke, to where you kind of can't see my face too good, which is really what I'm aiming for when I'm out here causing mayhem. Sometimes I'm on the lean and you can see my face, and I don't want you to see my face, because I don't want any law enforcement authorities watching the channel and be like, that's the guy, there he is, we're gonna go find him. So it's cool. Now our vision is covered, and I can still see out the face mask pretty good. It's not like wearing a dark smoke face mask. Right now my mask is down and I see pretty good, and I don't think people could see me very good, which is exactly what I'm looking for. And I don't like the idea of having to swap face masks all the time, because I like the smoke idea, but if you got a smoky one and you're riding at night, you can't see nothing. You really gotta I end up popping the lid up, and then I'm able to see. But if I'm pushing anything over 120, the wind's just like obtrusive, and I really prefer a face mask down. And so it's like the best of both worlds. I got a face mask for any condition, and it's cool. It's cool. I like it. I do like it a lot. I was told by a friend that I got to keep it in the dark, or maybe the photochromaticness, its light changing abilities will diminish over time. I'm not sure if that's the reason, but it is photosensitive, it is light sensitive, so it takes, I guess it takes some time to adjust, you know. So if I keep it out in the daylight and I want it to change, it might not change immediately or something. I don't know, but it seems to be working good. I like it, and I'm gonna keep utilizing it. I think it was a good buy. So I did find one on Amazon that was about half the price as like the main showy one. That it was like $200, and I was like, oh man, I ain't spending $200 on a wrist that I'm gonna like it. Whoa, that came up a lot. Woo. Gotta get used to that foot brake. Let's try it again. Oh, no foot brake on that. I'm not feeling super confident on my wheelies today, so I'm probably gonna take it easy. I see my face mask is open a little bit. There's better. I have no idea where we're going, but we're gonna see if we can have a good time and give you guys a decent show while watching this bike on the turns, because it handles terribly in them bumps. So if there's a bump coming, I'm straightening this bike out. I liked it. It felt good. No idea where we're going. I think we're gonna head through downtown. Why not? See if we can run a little havoc through there. Oh, it's gonna be a little colder. I grabbed a hoodie. It's pretty good out. I feel like it's a good temperature for hitting these streets. Make sure it's straight. That's the plan. Make sure it's straight on the boots. I forgot to get gas. We're going to have to find a gas station. That's the mission. We're down to about a half a tank. Want to start it, and the bike has no fuel gauge. Sorry to say, but it does have a fuel light. So if I'm running on E, it's gonna let me know. Trying to lane change them out. Oh, and it seems I went the wrong way. We got some rush hour downtown traffic, and we're gonna have to take it easy. Maybe we'll see if we can get a couple wheelies up while we're cutting through this downtown slow mayhem. Alright, seems we hit our limit here, and we're chilling, and we're chilling, and we're chilling, and we're chilling. And we're chilling really slow. What up? Boring rag. I see you guy going by. See you guy. Yeah, anyhow, shout out to the fans. Shout out to my Canadian friend up there commenting on my videos. #1 fan. Shout out to the Timothy. Shout out to the Jacob man. He pulled his first wheelie the other day on the street triple. It was gnarly. It scared the hell out of him, but he got her done. And looking forward to seeing him improve his wheelie game as I try to improve mine. Too much. Face mask down. I'm worried about touching the photochromatic face mask. I'm not sure how it works, if it's painted or if it's got some kind of clear coating on there, but I feel like I'm gonna rub it off with my fingers and my gloves and my sticky gloves, because they are sticky gloves. I like the sticky gloves. I get good grips with them. Oh yeah, anyhow, I did find an aftermarket Ptolemy brand photochromatic visor for the Shoei or the 1400 helmet, and it was about half price. It was like 90 bucks after tax on the Amazon. I think it's great. I think it's a value buy compared to the $200 one that they're selling on Revzilla or whatever. I don't know if the Revzilla one's better quality or if it works better or the photochromaticness happens faster. I don't know. I couldn't tell you, but I do like this one. It's working well. I think it's quality. I would recommend it to anybody who is looking for that type of technology in their visor mask. I think it's cool. I think it's cool. Find a gas station. Probably not that one. Definitely not that one. We're gonna find somewhere to go though. Somewhere to go. Man, this traffic is boring me out. I really don't want to push too hard on this bike until I get the suspension fixed. Too many close calls. Going this way. think where some good gas is. I want some good gas. Maybe we'll, oh yeah, there's the bike meet. Maybe we'll check out the Ducati dealership, see if anybody's at the bike meet yet. Should be fun. See if we can make some friends. Yeah, see if we can make some friends. I like the idea of it. Whoa, there's that bump I'm worried about. Windy. I got that. Pretty sure I got that. I think I got it. What? Hey, am I allowed to park? I got it. Faster than you, man. You gotta pay attention. Nope, didn't get it out. There's a third gear. No good. Alright, yeah, we're getting off the highway. We're gonna get some gas in it. Oh, and we got some stop traffic. Chew.